Come on here, Goodwill, baby. Goodwill has done it yet again.
Glamorouspennypincher. Glamorouspennypincher.
Hey Penny Pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. Today I'm just doing a quick drop-in, guys, to show you these two beautiful Christmas lampposts that I picked up at the Goodwill. Brand new in box. Here they are. Two of them. I got them for 20 bucks each. I'm gonna take it out the box and let's plug it up and see if it works. The manager did check it for me while I was there at Goodwill, but hey, I'm home now and I want to check it with you. So let's go ahead and unbox and try it to see how well it works. All right, so it has the price on it, $19.99, and this is the base, of course. Let's see what that does. Here. This is the top. Hey Penny Pinchers, I hope you're enjoying the video, but just wanted to take a moment to share some exciting news with you. Now, over the years, I have shared so many home decor videos with you on tips and ideas, hauls, tablescapes. I have shared winter tablescapes, summer, fall, Christmas, you name it. I have shared it with you guys, and you have been so gracious and so supportive over the years, and I thank you so much. You've also had some questions that I am always willing and ready to answer. But with all that, what I have done is I have created an e-learning course especially for you on table decorating. It is entitled Elegant Tablescapes Made Simple. In this course, you will learn simple styling basics, how to layer, about centerpieces, how to set a formal table, and so much more. So with Christmas and Thanksgiving and all of those holidays coming up, I know you're looking forward to decking out your table so that when your guests walk in through those doors and see your table, they will know that you took the time out to prepare this table especially for them. So there's a lot that you will learn in this course. It is a digital course. What I will do is I will leave a link for you down below. So click it and purchase your course today so that you can learn all about how to decorate your tables. Wait, I also included how to do the different napkin styling, like the different napkin rolls. So you definitely want to check it out. Thank you so much for your support. Love you, love you, love you. Now let's get back to the video. Just like that. All right, I'm gonna move the camera back and plug it in so you can see the whole thing from top to bottom. Okay guys, this is what they look like. They are super cute and they are pre-lit, as you can see. They are 4 feet tall and they were brand new in box, $20 each. If I can find the price online, I will insert it here so you can see what the original price of these are. But if you know me, guys, you already know that I'm going to be doing some things with this. So number one, I'm probably gonna add some more picks and stuff to the very base of it. And you definitely know already that I'm going to change this and add me some ribbons that matches the decor that I will have for this coming Christmas. But just wanted to take a few minutes real quickly, drop in and let you see what I picked up at, my local Goodwill. So guys, don't sleep on your Goodwills. You may not always find stuff, but you never know the day when you're gonna walk in and find something that really appeals to you and, for a lot less than you would have normally paid for it if you were to purchase it in the store or online. All right, guys. So I have a lot of videos coming for you. Thank you so much for your support. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome. I truly do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. And to my lovely penny pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous penny pincher, ChelomieC, saying bye-bye.